Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is the square root and cube root. Type number 10 up to type 10 we have already completed. This is the type number 11. Let us see what is the type number 11 question. So this type number 11 question is what? Find root of 2 root 2 and this goes up to the infinity. That means our question is what? That is find a square root of 2 root 2. And this is going what? Up to the infinity, right? So how can we solve this type of the question? So previously we have done the type number 10, that is square root of 2 into root 2 or 2 into any number of root is given. Now it is given up to infinity. Then what we will do? So there is a two simple ways to solve this question. So I'm explaining the both ways, that is the shortcut and the basic concept. First you see what is the basic and after that we'll go for the shortcut. Because shortcut always comes from the basic. If you will understood the basic concept, you can use shortcut very easily. So for this type of question, let us assume this value is what? X. So now you see a square root of 2 into root 2, this go up to the infinity. So this whole equal to, suppose x, we have assumed this x. So what we can write? That is a square root of 2 and this again same equal to x. So we can write 2x equal to what? X. Now here root and here no root. So for this type of question, what we are doing is squaring both sides. So what we will get? 2x equal to what? X square. So this 1x and this 1x will be cancelled out and what we will get? X equal to 2. So our right answer is what? 2. So this is the basic concept. But no use this basic concept, you can use direct. Technique is what? Any number is given and like this question, square root of 2 root 2 2 root 2 up to the infinity. Your answer will be 2. In place of, suppose it is given 3, then answer will be what? 3. In place of 2, what number is given? Answer will be the same number what is given. For example, suppose your question is given, if find a square root of 5 root 5 and this go up to the infinity. Then your answer will be what? Only 5. So what number is given? This is your answer. No need to support x and everything. This is the basic concept. But now you understood the technique. Any question of this type, we can write direct answer which the number is given. Suppose number given what? 13. Suppose another example I am taking. Suppose it is given a square root of 13. Again, this is root under 13. This go up to infinity. Then your answer is what? Again, 13 on, right? So same concept. So this is the simple question, but tricky approach question. So don't go for the basic. Direct your answer, what number is given. Let us see the next question. So next question is what? Let us see. So here next question is type number 12. And this question is also very important. I will explain this question by the both method. That is basic concept of this type of the question. And then we will apply our shortcut. Only you see and you can find answer. No need of pen and paper. Let us see. So our question is what? We find square root of 12 plus again a square root of 12. Again, you can write this up to what? Infinity. So any number up to infinity given, we have to find our answer. So again, same rule, basic first I am explaining. So suppose this equal to what? X. Our answer is what? X. So what we can write, so when we see this question, root under 12 plus root under 12 plus up to infinity, that means what we can write? A square root of 12 plus same number is given again. So this is what? X and this equal to what? X. Again, here root, here no. So squaring both sides, what we will get? 12 plus x equal to what? X square. So now we get a quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 12z. You know the splitting the middle term. So we have to split the middle term. That means here what coefficient is given? Here only no coefficient, that is 1. Here what? Minus 12. So the go for product of these two numbers. So product is what? Minus 12. So make a factor of minus 12. Make a factor of minus 12 and then you check. Just like 12 factor is what? 4 into 3. So make that two number in such a way so that you get negative. So what we can write? X square minus 4x and plus 3. So minus 4x plus 3x is what? Minus x. We need here minus x. And when we multiply this number, minus 4 into plus 3, what? Minus 12 square. Minus 12x square. Correct. So this is the way to check we have split it correct or not. And then here minus 12, right here minus 12. Now you can take common x. So x minus 4. And again here what? 3. So this is what? X minus 4. This is equal to 0. Here x minus 4, here x minus 4. So what we can do? We take common x minus 4. So x minus 4 is common. So here x plus 3. So we are getting x plus 3. This equal to 0. When product of two number is 0, that means either both numbers 0, either separately one number 0. Either this 0, either this 0 or both 0. Suppose x minus 4 0, then you will get x equal to 4. And when x plus 3 0, you will get x equal to minus. But common sense is here. Here we are taking plus plus plus. So when we add plus plus any small number, we can't get negative. So this is not satisfied. So our right answer is what? X equal to 4 is our right answer. So this is the basic concept for solving this type of the question. Now what is the shortcut? Shortcut is what? Whenever you see this type of the question, always this type of question will be product of the two conjugating number. Always you will find. Every time the number given will be what? Product of conjugating. So here what product conjugating? You know 4 into 3 is what? 12. So when this type of question is given and this is just find what is the conjugative product of that number. And after that plus sign is given. So greater is your answer. So 4 into 3, which is greater? 4. So your answer is 4. So no need to suppose x and make factor and everything. For this type of the question, that go for this logic. If you forget this logic, then you can apply this basic concept. So basic concept is always important. You have to understand the basic concept. And after that, you can use your logic. So our right answer is what? 4. Let us see the next question. So here next question is what? That is the type number 13 question. So same type of question, find root of 30 minus root of 30 up to infinity. So our question is what? Just we are finding root of 30 minus root under 30 again minus root under 30. This goes up to the infinity. So again, we are solving this question by the two method. That is basic concept and after that shortcut. First, you see what is the basic concept for this type of the question. So basic concept for this type of the question is what? So just to make a factor of this number. So here number is given what? So just suppose this is what? X. So when this number is equal to x, then same concept we can write here, that is 30 minus. Again, this going same. So 30 minus x equal to what? X. Again, we can squaring both sides, then we will get to what? 30 minus x equal to what? X square. So what we can write? X square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Again, we can split this number. So here minus 30 and we have to take plus. So what can we do? 5 into 6 is what? 30. And so 5, 6. We have to take positive. So greater number should be positive and a smaller number should be negative. So what we will write? X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 equal to 0. So we can write x into x plus 6 and then here minus again common x plus 6 equal to 0. X plus 6 is in common. So x plus 6 into x minus 5, this equal to what? 0. When two product is 0, that means both 0 or each separately 0. So when x plus 6 equal to 0, you will get what? Minus 6. When x minus 5 equal to 0, you will get to what? That is minus 5. Now you see here what condition. Here we have taken 30 minus root under 30, we are taking. So common sense is what? What number we will get here? That number will be always less than this 30. So our answer should be positive, right? So write positive only. So this is what? X plus 6 equal to minus 6 and x minus 5 is 0. So what we are getting? X equal to positive 5. So our right answer is what? Positive 5. So what we get a logic from this question, when this type of question given, again you see any time this number is given, that number will be product of the two consecutive numbers. When minus sign is given, then a smaller one will be our answer. So here we are filling 5 into 630 and 5 is a smaller number. So when minus sign given, then a smaller will be your answer. When positive given, then greater will be answer. Here minus sign given, so lesser is answer. So 5 is our correct answer, right answer. Let us see the next question. So here next question is also very important question. This question type number 40 is what? Find the greatest 5-digit number, which is perfect square. So everyone know what is the greatest 5-digit number? 5 times 9. I have already explained this concept in the class number 1. So here greatest 5-digit number is 5 times 9. But we not need only greatest number. We need that greatest number which is a perfect square. So we have to check now if this is a perfect square or not. If it is a perfect square, it is okay. It is our answer. If not perfect square, then we have to check what number, least number we should subtract from this so that it become perfect square. We have already explained this type of question. What number should be subtracted so that it become perfect square? For this type of question, we are using division method. So here, what is the division method? Those who have not seen the previous video, I've already explained here. So division method we are applying. So right side pair, first pair, second pair, and this is only 1. So everyone know 3 square 9. So 3, 3, and here 3 also 9. Now what? It is 6. It is cancelled. Second pair is 99. So now you know 1, then 61, when 2, then 2 2 are 4, 2 6 are more. So we can't take more, we have to take less. So now it is only 1. So we are taking here 61. So now what we are getting? Adding 62, here 9, subtracting 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 6, 3. Other pair is what? 19. Now this is the last step. What we have explained in the previous class, when case of subtraction, in the last stage, we have to take either this number or slightly what? Lesser number. Okay. So now we are checking what number we take here so that either we got 3899 or not 3899, then slightly less. So we are checking. First, we are checking for 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2 are 12. 3 15. 6 6 are 36, 37. This is the slightly less. When you go for 7, 7 6 are 42 more. So don't go for more. You have to take less because it's a case of subtraction. So we are taking here 6. So 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 3 15, 6 36, and here 37. So 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 4 8 7 1. No need of this. Now we got our remainder. So this is the remainder. So just this remainder you have to subtract. So 9 minus this 3 you are getting 6. 9 minus 4 you are getting 5. 9 minus 1 you are getting 8. And then here what? 2 9. So here what we are getting? 99856. So 99856 is our right answer, correct answer. Any question of this type, we can go for this method and we will get our right answer. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So here the next question is also very important. Here what we are doing, this is find the smallest four-digit number, which is perfect square. So here we are getting a smallest number. Everyone know what is the smallest four-digit number? That is 1 and 3 times 0. So this is not a perfect square. We need a smallest four-digit number, which is a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. That means we have to add something. So this is a question, what number we should add this number so that it become perfect square. So I already explained this type of question, what number we should add so that it become perfect square. We need division method for it. And last stage, we will take what? Either this number, final number, or slightly more. Let us see. I am solving this question here. First pair, 00, second pair, 10. So we are getting 3 3 9. Now you are checking 3 3 6 here, what? 1, and now this is 100. Now we are checking, if we go for 1, it is the final stage. Now we will check 1, it is getting 61 less. So what I told, when case of add, here is a smallest number given, so we cannot go down, we can go up only. So we are adding. So for adding case is given, then what we are doing? Taking slightly more. So 1 taking less, so go for 2. When we are going for 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12. So subtract reverse. 4 minus 0, 4. So that means what? Minus 2 4. Minus, so that 1000 is what? If we add 24 in 1000, then it will become what? Perfect square. That is 32 square. So our right answer is 1000 is smallest four-digit number. It is not a perfect square, so we need to move up. So we need to add here what? 24. So we will get 4201. So 1024, our right answer. So every type of the question we are doing here. So now I think you understood this question. Now this is the type number 60. This question is what? That is Sukhi Ram plants this orange tree in his garden and arrange them so that there are as many rows as there are orange trees. In each row, find the number of rows. So this question we can do by the two methods. First, we are going for basic concept. Basic concept is what? Sukhiram plants 15376 oranges in his garden, and there are as many rows as there are orange tree in each row. So suppose there is a what? N row. Then in each row, how many trees? N. So total N rows, and each row have N tree. So number of tree will be what? N multiply N. So N multiply N is what? Total number of plants. The total plant is here what? 1, 5, 3, 7, 6. So N square equal to what? 1537. So N equal to what? Root under 15376. So we need to find a square root of this number. So I have already explained 3 ways to find a square root of the number. You can find by factor method, by division method, and by tricky method. So if we apply the tricky method, what tricky method? First to make pair of 2 from right side, and then check unit is what? Unit 6, so what number can give you 6? 4 square 6 and 6 square can give, because 4 square 16, it can give 6, 6 square 36 can give 6. Now it is 153. You have to check which number square can give you 153. So 12 square is 144. So 12 square is what? 144, and 13 square is what? 160. I already explained the technique for finding a square also in the previous class. So this is the more, so you go for less, 12. So 124 and 126. Now we have to, which is my answer? So just to check which number, your number is 153. So 153 near to 144 or 169. So 144 plus what is the difference? 13 minus 4, 9 and 13 minus 9 difference. Here what difference? 9 minus this 16 difference. So near to a smaller number. So your answer will be a smaller. So your correct answer is what? 124. This is the basic concept. And shortcut method is what? You no need to write n anything. When this type of question given, there are so many rows and each row have the same number of trees. That means number of rows and number of trees both is same. Then product will be what? Always the answer will be what? A square. So we have to check only in option. You will see mostly one option will be there which is perfect square. So now you have to check what is the square root of this number. Just find a square root of number, your answer will. So technique is what? Here 6. So 5 square 25 cannot give this number. Here 8. 8 square 64 cannot give this number. Here 5 square 25 cannot give this number. Here 8. So possibility is what? 4 square 64. We have to check the square of this number is this or not. So we can find direct square root technique and we will get our answer. In this way, we can find answer very easily. Let us see the next question. The next question is what? That is, each student of class 10 contributed some money for a picnic. The money contributed by all students was equal to the cube of the total number of students. If the total collected amount was this, then find total number of students. So suppose total number, we are going for first basic concept. Suppose total number of students is what? Suppose total number of students is again n. So total collected amount was this and student equal to cube of the total number of students. So that is what? That means total amount received is cube of the total number of students. What is given? 2979. So we have to find what? Cube root of this number. 2979. So I have already explained what is the technique for finding the cube root. Here this number is given. Here last number is 1. Just to check, if we multiply 1 3 times, then unit will be 1. So 1 unit will be always 1. Now 20. You have to check which cube. I have already explained technique for finding cube root. We already explained technique for finding the cube root. So we have to check. First you make pair of 3 and then check what is unit number. So unit number multiply 3 times what unit. So go for logically 1 1 1. Always give 1. Now remaining 2 number, check which is cube near to 20. So 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So don't go for more. Come down. So that is what? 3. So our right answer is what? 31. Now we are going to explain very easily. That is what? Last question. And this question is what? The toy factory manufactured a batch of electronic toys. If the toys were packed in boxes of 115 each, 13 boxes would not be filled completely. If the toys were packed in boxes of 65, 29 two such boxes would not be enough to pack all of them. Coincidentally, in the end, the toys were packed in the boxes containing n toys each without any remainder. The total number of toys was one. So very large question is given, but concept is very easy. Only you have to consider the last condition. If the toys were packed in box containing n toys each without any remainder. So number of toys and number of boxes same. That means our answer number of toys will be what? Perfect square. So we have to check in the option which number is a perfect square. You can check this number is perfect square. We are checking here 4. So either 2, either 8. Here 14. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So 16 is more, we are taking 3. So now we are checking 32 square is what? 2 2 are 4, 2 into 2 into 3, 12, and 3 square 9, 10. No. Again 38, 8 square 64, carry 6. 2 8 are 16, 3 are 48, 6 54. No. So this is not our answer. Now we are checking this number. So again, this number is what? Same concept 30. So no, this number also. Now we check this number. Here 4, so either 2 or 8. Here 40. So what we can write? 3. So 3 here, 3 here. Now we are checking this 32 already you know. So 8 square 64. 2 8 are 16, 3 are 48, 6 54, 9 5 4. Yes, this is a perfect square. So our right answer is what? That is 38. That is 144 is our right answer because it is a perfect square of 38 square is 144. In this way, we can solve this type of question very easily. For today, up to this only. Thank you.